I thought I would try a different shade of hair today and a different sort of style, because I'm just about going to go for a little walk around the Bognor at night time just to find out what the clubs and the bars are like. So fingers crossed it's all going to go quite well, but it's just a bit of fun on a Saturday night. Well, it's around about 10:30 and I've been into a couple of bars, listening to some heavy rock music in one of them, and it was quite loud and my ears are just about recovering now. And as you can see, it's a full moon this evening, which is probably part of the reason why there's so many very strange people out this evening. But it's been a fun night walking around and discovering Bognor. It's very quiet, if I'm honest, but I quite like that. And I do like being here beside the seaside, as the old song goes, because it's very restful, very peaceful. So I'm just going to continue my walk along the seafront, maybe take a little bit more footage, and join you a little bit later in the video.